Motorola has launched the Moto Edge 30 in India at a price starting rupees 28,000 for 6GB 128GB variant, and then there is a 8GB 128GB variant for 30,000 rupees. This phone is touted to be the world's slimmest 5G smartphone and also India's lightest 5G smartphone. So let's do the unboxing and a first impression of this phone in this video. Out of the box you get the smartphone and also the back case. It's a soft back case, and the first impression when I hold the phone is that it's really lightweight. It has a matte finish and it feels very good on hand. I've been using a lot of heavy phones these days and this looks refreshingly very lightweight. This comes in two colors, the meteor gray variant which I have here and also a Aurora green color variant. Let's talk about the design in a while. Let me see what else is there in the box. You get a user guide, same ejector pin, 33 watts charger and a Type-C cable. Now let's get back to the design. So this phone is refreshingly well done. It is very slim at 6.79 millimeter and it's also very lightweight. It weighs just 155 grams. It is made of plastics, even the side frame is a plastic frame, but it is well done. It has a matte finish and the finishing is very good. If you look into the camera module, there is a bit of a design element to it, and then there is a Moto logo as well as the Motorola branding on that. On top you have a noise cancelling mic. At the bottom you have a speaker. This phone has a dual speaker, mic, USB Type-C port and a SIM tray. It supports 2 SIMs, 2 nano SIMs. It doesn't support micro SD card and it's a 5G smartphone. In India it comes with the 13 5G band support, so making it a future ready whenever 5G arrives in India. At the right you have the power button as well as the volume button. At the left side it's plain. So there is no audio jack in this phone. In this profile you can see how slim the phone is and it feels very ergonomically done when you hold the phone. SAR value you can see on the screen, it is well within the limit. There is no FM radio. It has all the sensors required and it also comes with the Wide1 L1 certification. It has a dual stereo speakers as I mentioned and it comes with a Dolby Atmos. Volume is really loud and the speaker quality is very good. It comes with the in-display fingerprint sensor and face unlock, and the in-display fingerprint sensor is quite fast. You also get 3 animation styles to choose for the fingerprint sensor. It comes with a 6.5-inch display. It's a POLED display. It comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. It's a full HD display, 20:9 aspect ratio. The best part is that it is a 10-bit display. So you get lots of colors when you're viewing a movie or gaming. You get a lot of color details on the screen. It comes with a 144Hz refresh rate and it also supports HDR10+. It also has a DC dimming and it has a 360Hz touch sampling. In the display settings, you can choose the color to natural or standard. Color temperature can be adjusted. Refresh rate comes with the auto 60Hz or 144Hz. There is no always on display, but Moto phones comes with their own peak display. So if you tap the screen, you can access the date and time and other notifications. Talking about the performance, this phone is powered by Snapdragon 778. It's a plus variant. So it has been boosted a bit from the regular Snapdragon 778 variant. So you get a bit more of a power on this chipset. It comes with a 6GB and 8GB RAM variant and a 128GB storage LPDDR5 RAM. Performance wise, there is nothing to complain about. It handles the games very well and also regular day-to-day tasks as well as the multitasking. So it's a very reliable, trusted chipset which you can go for blindly. Talking about the camera, behind you have a 50 megapixel main camera, f1.8 aperture, and it comes with the OIS. There is a 50 megapixel ultra-wide sensor and a 50 megapixel macro sensor. Again, Motorola saying that this is the India's first 50 megapixel ultra-wide and macro sensor in this phone. And the front you have a 32 megapixel camera. You can take 4K videos both in the front and back. There are a lot of camera modes. So you have a dual capture, spot color, raw mode, pro mode, slow motion. So let's see some of the early samples which I have taken, so you can be the best judge. On the software front, it comes with the Android 12 out of the box, and you have a lot of Moto features to add upon. So there's a lot of customization settings. You have a lot of gesture actions. Then there is always a fan favorite, chop chop to flash, twist to launch the camera, and then there are a whole lot of features which Motorola offers. So those are some of the special additions that comes with the plain Android on this phone. Talking about the battery, it comes with a 4020 mAh battery as well as a 33 watts fast charging. You can expect a 1 day battery life in this phone. I will test it and talk about that in the review. So this is the Moto Edge 30. I am impressed by the design. It's very light smartphone, very slim profile, as well as it has a great display. Camera seems to be decent. You have seen the photos, and overall I think Moto has come with a quite a good winner here. This is a yearly impression which I had. Let me talk about the pros and cons in my review video. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Lashmajan signing off at TechRaman. Have a great day. Cheers.